Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I am going to show you the drive build diagram for the engine Mercedes Sprinter, okay? 2022 to 2026. Start from the alternator, going to the idle pulley on the top, and then to air condition compressor and to the crankshaft pulley or balancer to the tensioner. I'm going to show you how to lock the tensioner later. To the water pump, socket number 17 and pin to lock the tensioner. You see, I am pulling down, and then I will push the pin inside the hole and to lock the tension in place, so it will be easy to take off the belt and put it back. Enjoy watching, and please don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video.